What you're seeing on your screen right now is a screenshot of what one of the students made from just answering simple survey questions. As you can see on your screen, you are seeing £82, and the next one you're seeing, this is £69 by another student, and the next one you're seeing is over $500. This is exactly $900 made from just answering questions from surveys. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make up to $50 to $100 per month answering questions online with just your smartphone. I believe you may have been hearing about this, and that is even one of the reasons why you click this video. If you're here for the first time, I welcome you. I'm so excited that you're watching this video right now because I want to share this with you. That's why I'm making this video. So welcome to my channel. Please make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post content like this, you're always going to be notified. All right, let's get straight. Let's just talk about this. This is very simple. We're not leaving this page. I just need you to see this right now. You can make between $50 to $100 monthly by answering questions online. You don't need to have any previous experience. You don't need to have any tech skill. You don't need to know too much. All you need to do is just learn the process and learn how to answer the questions. And with just 7,200, if you're a Nigerian watching this now, this is just 7,200. You can join the group and learn exactly how you can print money in dollars consistently. All right, as you can see, this is one of my coach who knows how to do this thing very well. This is you are going to be learning this from Gabriel Godwin. He will show you everything you need to know when it comes to answering questions. As you can see, I'm just showing you his page so you can actually see this for yourself. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video, so please make sure that you check my description. All right, check the description. I'm going to drop it there, so you just click through and make payments and join to get access to all the training materials. All right, you can go through this step by step, and the slots are limited. This is not for people who want to be jokers. This is not for people who are lazy. This is not for people who are just thinking that you're just going to make money fast. If you are someone who cannot settle down to read, settle down to understand, settle down to implement what you are learning, then this is not for you. If you're somebody that you feel that you don't need to pay for knowledge, please don't bother yourself about this, because definitely you're going to be paying for the access. There are many people who want this information, so this is going to be a limited opportunity. So that's why you need to take action very fast. As you can see, these are real results. As you can see, this is 82.39 pounds, which is in Nigerian naira. This is 163 naira, 163,000 naira. Are you seeing this now? So this is another one. This is the $900 for one job. Are you seeing the testimonial now? This is for one job. Okay, this is a testimonial from one of the students. That's why you shouldn't joke with opportunities like this. Okay, if you scroll down again, you're going to see same money here. See this one, $69, 69 British pounds. Are you getting that? You can see the name there. So these are not strange people. These are not manufactured results. These are human beings like you and I. And you can do this if you are a very serious person, if you seriously implement. So if you scroll down, you keep seeing all the results from students. Now, what are you going to learn from this training? In case you are one of those who you are watching this right now, you are thinking, I want to be part of this, but I want to know what I want to learn, then pay attention. In this training, you're going to be learning how to create your PayPal account. You need a PayPal account to receive your money. This is not like all those programs online or surveys online that you do and then you will not be able to withdraw your money. There are many of them which I have tested. All right, so this is something legit that I can vouch for. That's why I'm making this video. So you need a PayPal account to be able to receive your money, because you are a Nigerian, probably a Nigerian watching this now, or an African watching this, and you really want to get paid. You don't want to do a job that you don't get paid. Okay, and the payment method is going to be PayPal. So you need to know how to receive your money in PayPal. You need to have a PayPal account. So you're going to be learning how to create your PayPal. You're going to learn how to get your UK number. You need a UK number for this to work, but don't worry about it. In this training, you're going to learn exactly how it works. You're going to learn how you can create your UK address, how you can take your survey without being banned. There are many people who want to cut corners. There are many people who want to go through the routes that they understand. At the end of the day, they get banned because they don't know exactly how to bypass the process. So in this training, you're going to learn all of that. Number 5, you're going to learn how to withdraw your money from PayPal. This is one of the sweetest parts. After you've worked, you should be paid for your job. Imagine you getting paid in dollars. This is a soft money for you that you can actually use to improve your finances. So these are the things you're going to be learning, and apart from that, you're going to be added to a community where you can actually ask questions anytime you have some challenges. So I don't want to go too far into this video. I don't want to waste your time with too much of analysis. If you're interested in learning exactly how you can actually make money from survey jobs, answering survey questions, okay, what you need to do is to go to the link in my description. I'm going to add the link to this page in my description. So go to my description, check it, click on it. It will take you to this page, and then you can see all of these details. And once you get here, click on the buy now button, and you'll be given the form where you can make your payment and get access. That's where I'm going to stop for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.